Hi, boys and girls. I know math is a little more difficult. We're going to do the same thing today, only it's going to be story problems. Don't worry about the story problems. Pull out the two-digit numbers, okay? And then multiply them out the way I taught you yesterday or using one of the methods. You can multiply more than one way, and whatever works best for you to get the correct answer, use that method. But I do have to teach you the algorithm method. So we're going to flip the paper. Basically, I'm doing the same thing I did yesterday. And then you can go straight to IXL and work on that, okay? So let's flip the paper. Okay, so I wrote this up and I did put the zero in the ones place there. So multiply the bottom ones times the top ones, then multiply the bottom ones times the top tens. Okay, put the zero, multiply bottom tens times the top ones, and then multiply the bottom tens times the top tens, and then you add them. So just a reminder, here's your tens column and your ones column. So we're going straight up, and then we're going to go diagonal, and then with the tens we're going diagonal and then straight up. Okay, so let's look at this. Multiply the bottom ones times the top ones. Bottom one, top one, so straight up. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. Okay, now we multiply the bottom ones, so we're still at the 3, times the top tens. So what's the tens? It's the second one over. 1, 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. You want to cross this off because you may not use it again. Okay, you won't use it again. Now it says put 0 in the ones place, so we're going to start multiplying here. We want to put a 0 right there. Okay, there should always be a 0 below that ones, the first ones that you multiplied. Now we start with the bottom tens. Bottom tens is 6 in this case, times the top ones. So 6 times 3 is 30. We carry the 3. Okay, now the bottom tens times the top tens. We're on number 5. Bottom tens times the top tens. So 6 times 4 is 24, plus the 3 more is 27. And we add this. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then we bring down the 2. So 2,835. And I can do this the same way here. 45, so 40 plus 5. This is the area one. And then 60 plus 3. Okay. You know how to do this. 6 times 4 is 24. 1, 2 zeros. 6 times 5 is 30. And then I have the 0. 3 times 4 is 12. And we have 1 0. And then 3 times 3. 5 is 15. And then we just line them up over here. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. And then we bring down our 2. 2,835, 2,835. 2 different ways to do it. Now we're going to do our box. So this would be 40 plus 5 again. And then we have 80 plus 4. And remember, we add going across, and then we add those two. Okay? So 8 times 4 is 32. Whoops, do I have this right? Nope, 63. So this would be 60 plus 3. So Sorry guys, this would be 2400. 6 times 5 is 30, and then we add 1 0. So if I add these two together, I get 2700. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12 with 1 0. 3 times 5, 15. 120 plus 15 would be 135. 5, 3, 8, 2. 2,835. Okay, and then the lattice method. Here we just put the numbers. We don't have to put the zeros in there. Whoops, almost did it again. Got that 84 in my head for some reason. Okay, so 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 4 is 24. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 4 is 12. And now I start adding around. 5 plus nothing is 5. 0 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 plus 1 is 8. And then 2. 2,835. Okay, so let's try another one. Oh, there's my 84. Okay, so something else I showed you yesterday is if you cover up that number, you should be able to multiply that. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, we put the 0 here, and that might help with the 4. Cover up the 4. Remember, you go times the 1s first. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. And then 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1 more. 25. 8, 8, 6, 2. So 32 times 84 is 2,688. Okay, we do the area. Eight times 3 is 24 with the 2 zeros. 8 times 2 is 16 with 1 0. 4 times 3 is 12, and there's only 1 0, and then 4 times 2 is 8. We line these up. And add 8, 8, 6, 2. I get the same answer. You can do it with the box where we're going to add going across. Okay, so here we get our 2,400, our 160, and when we add those, we get 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. And then the 2. And here we get the 120 and the 8. 120 plus 8 is 128. And we add those. 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. And then we bring down our 2. Or we can do the lattice method, where we just put these numbers here. 32, 84. Okay, we multiply these two numbers and we get 16. 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8, so we put a 0 there. 4 times 3 is 12. And then we start adding. 6 plus 0 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, and then 2, 2,688. Okay, so now you go to D39, and again, I don't care how you add them, or how you multiply them. whatever method works the best for you. Okay? Have a great day.